Several meme coins, including Dogecoin and RXS, are projected to take off, providing potential investors with substantial high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Shiba Inu and Bonk are other tokens with growth potential, especially with the upcoming bull season expected in 2025. Although these tokens are suitable for investors aiming to take advantage of moderate returns, a relatively new player in the industry known as Rexas Finance appears to have more long-term growth potential than its competitors. Dogecoin, Doge first in the market. There is no denying the popularity of meme coins with their Shiba Inu and other lovable mascots. Dogecoin is one of these, and like others, it has also established a dedicated community. With a price tag of $0.4233 and a market capitalization of $62.22 billion, Dogecoin has developed consistent usage as a medium of digital currency for microtransactions. Because of its sufficiently high visibility and popularity, Musk's endorsements allow it to maintain its power in the densely populated crypto marketplaces. Experts are forecasting that the Doge price will reach $3 by the end of 2025 and that, as a means of payment and demand for incorporation into well-known systems, it will assist in fueling advancement toward this goal. Hence, a $150 investment today could increase to $1,050 if those targets are achieved. However, being backed by the crowd makes it more speculative and riskier to hold. Shiba Inu, SHIB, the meme coin which is gaining practical utility. Once only a meme coin, Shiba Inu now has use cases. Through the launch of Shibrium, its own L2 blockchain solution, SHIB is enhancing the infrastructure for decentralized exchange and its coordinated ecosystem, including NFTs and staking. Its current trading price is $0.00003094, with the total market capitalization amounting to $18.21 billion. If someone invests $150 in SHIB at the moment, they could already earn more than $1,000. Although such prospects for growth are significant, this one is also substantially reliant on the market outlook and the practice of speculative trading. Bonk, the next big meme coin. Often dubbed the Shiba Inu of Solana, the currency has gained momentum due to its vibrant community and distinctive elements. Currently valued at $0.00004599 and with a $3.46 billion market capitalization, Bonk provides an excellent price point for investors willing to take chances in the meme coin space. It has been predicted that Bonk's price in 2025 will be $0.0005, representing a growth of 10 times its present price. If these predictions come true, a $150 investment in Bonk would yield a potential of about $1,500. However, like all meme coins, Bonk's growth depends mainly on community backing and speculative hysteria. Rexas Finance, RXS, the underdog transforming investment strategy. Rexas Finance applies tangible concepts, unlike meme coins, offering considerable returns. The RXS token digitizes traditional assets like real estate, art, and commodities, allowing investors to access a cost-effective, diversified investment platform. Currently in Stage 9 at $0.125 from Stage 1 of the presale, RXS has raised over $21 million, selling over 290 million tokens. Its consistent presale performance indicates strong long-term potential. When RXS begins trading on Tier 1 exchanges in 2025, its price could rise from 20 cents to $1, offering significant profits quickly. RXS stands out with features like the Rexas Token Builder, Rexas Estate for fractional real estate investment, and Rexas Treasury for multi-chain yield optimization. These innovations make it a versatile and growth-focused investment. Rexas Finance has completed a Cert-K audit, enhancing security and transparency. It is also listed on platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Additionally, the project has engaged its community with a $1 million giveaway shared among 20 winners, each receiving 50,000 RXS tokens each. Conclusion: RXS takes the lead. While Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Bonk may provide decent returns during the next bull run, they remain volatile and community-driven. Rexas Finance, by contrast, offers specific utility, innovation, and growth potential. If you seek the best returns with reduced risk, RXS is a solid option. Its robust ecosystem, pre-sale success, and transparency make it a standout in the crypto market. As the 2025 bull run begins, RXS could be the transformative investment opportunity you've been waiting for.